How are you doing? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hello, hello. It is a Wednesday. Hump day. How are we doing? How are we doing? How are we? Ladies and gentlemen, my weekends are finally free. My weekends are free. You know? I can do whatever I want on the weekends now. Feels good, man. Oh, except this weekend. We've got our big get together, having a big kaitahi, or getting together and having some food before the group finishes up for 2 years. Sound quality is whack. Okay. Must be our thingy again. It's every time I bring this mic outside, eh? Like every time I bring it outside now, it seems to bug out. What's the time over there? It is currently 9:19 in the morning. In the morning. How are we doing, ladies and gentlemen? That man mic is bugging. Yeah, it's only when I bring it outside for some reason. Interesting. Hang on, let me see what I can do. Every time I bring it outside, eh? I'm just tying my shorts up because they're too big. Mike Brox, yeah, just let a man tie his fucking shorts up first. Holy shit. But it seems to not just bug out outside, which is a weird thing. Which seems to be the weird thing. Good morning, YouTube. How are you guys? How is it now? A big fan of yours. Was lucky enough to visit NZ in November. Went to Rotorua and fell in love with the place. How about the smell? No, I hope you enjoyed it. I don't know if our mic's doing okay. I'm going to pull up one of the streams to have a listen. Is it still buggy? I can still hear a bit of static. Still pretty quiet. Yeah, I just try not to have my mic on full blast too much because my voice is a bit loud as it is. Doing good, just waking up from midnight shift, first time catching live. Hope the visit. Big fan of Lord of the Rings. Me and you are gonna get along, cause me too. Yeah, I don't know why it gets static outside, eh? Like when it works perfectly fine inside. Get used to the smell. But the people are bloody lovely. I'm glad you bumped into nice people here. Straight up. Because obviously, you know, with a lot of places there are, you know, bad people as well. Yeah, I don't know why. I don't know why it get staticky outside. I'm still trying to figure that out. Yeah, probably the mic cable. Let me check it one more time. Hello, here we go. Here's my snare. Is it still shit? I cannot tell. That's kind of back now. I need a definitive kinny but fuzzy fucking stupid mic. I don't think that's... If it's playing up, I'm pretty sure. I don't know why it's doing this, bro. Down to the back, just a lot of things. Most likely the cable, yeah, probably. But the only thing is it only fucks out outside, so I'm probably still gonna use it. Which is weird. If it's gonna do that, then I probably... Wait, what's going on here? How about now? I'm just gonna slowly take it out of the port. See if we can get that spot. Poor Brox. Oh, it's all good, bro. It happens. There it is. I slightly took it out. Stay there. Okay. So we're good to go? I actually gotta go and get the power cord. So we sweet as? Okay. Probably a dirty port. Yeah, I don't know how to clean it other than doing the cartridge treatment. If you know cartridge tech, you're probably the same age as me. Good old cartridge technique, eh, chat? Yeah, let me just cook my food and then we'll get into it, eh? Now, don't knock it or anything. Yeah, how would you clean that out, though? Like, just with a bloody... What is it? What is it called? Yeah, I don't know, eh? Hey, who's this? I can't see it from here because I'm at a distance a bit. Yeah, that's what I mean, the cartridge treatment. Isaac Valkrith, thank you for the brand new tier 1, my brother. Appreciate you, my bro. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Also, chat, this Friday, I'll be driving up to Auckland to pick up my sister-in-law from the airport, but I'm going to get my PC cleaned. And I'll be taking the motherboard out because it's one of those Intel ones. Those real dangerous ones. So I'm going to get that shit yanked out and changed. So I'm very happy about that. And tomorrow I have a bit of a sponsored stream. I'll be playing anything I want, but I'm showcasing some computer gears. So as some of you may know, I am a fan of Corsair. So I'm going to be showcasing some of this stuff tomorrow. And then I also have a Nintendo stream to do. Yeah, Nintendo ANZ gifted me a Switch too, so we gotta do that for them. Gotta do that for them as a thank you. And have we got any? We might play the new Monster Hunter game tonight. Any Monster Hunter fans in the chat? I will get a GTA and alcohol. Oh, okay. For a minute there I was thinking, what, like Hennessy? Jay, my bro, thank you for the 71 months, my bro. How was CreatorCon, bro? Did you have fun? Finally got Mumsy home. She's been in the hospital for 6 weeks having... She probably turned that down. Looking like the mud pools here in Rotorua. 6 weeks having chemo, so I feel... Oh, that's good, my bro. Hello, who was that? That's good, Mumsy's feeling better, my bro. Yeah, my wife's on a bit of a recovery as well. Nothing like on level with chemo, but just her stitches are recovering from having surgery. Ever had eggy bread while like just dipping bread in egg? My God is live. How are you, brother? I might actually get a jersey too. I'm getting cold. Bro, that's the dumb thing about losing all this weight, man. You got no insulation to keep you warm. One moment. Yeah, that's the one problem I'm having, chat, is getting cold faster. I saw a clip of you on YouTube, first time I saw you live. Hey, what's up, man? Welcome through. Welcome through. So if some of you don't know, over the weekend we had our kapaka performance, so my weekends are finally free. Next weekend, my family's not going to be home, so I think we do a 24-hour, eh? What do you reckon? And I'm sorting out sub goals for our 6-year anniversary on Twitch. But I'm thinking I might make them... I want to do a cooking one, or 2 cooking ones actually. 2 cooking sub goals. I want to chuck a Pokemon Yellow marathon in, because I haven't played it. And, you know, with the Fire Red re-release, if you don't know, I'm a big fan of Kanto. Kanto and Johto are my 2 favourite generations. So, you know, I may as well try and jam one of the Pokemons that I haven't played. Bro, it was funny, just a lot of high school on the first day, newbies looking lost, helping them out, and peeps chilling in their cliques, but I met new connections and now trying to edit a video. Oh, nice, my bro. Was Grand Theft, was Rockstar there? Because I remember Rockstar ANZ was gonna go, because they asked if I was going, but I said nah. Because, you know, kapaka. Yeah, kapaka was on the weekend, and I know it was only yesterday, but I'll be honest, my body's still recovering, eh? Wonder if the GTA and alcohol clean again. I missed your performance, bro. Couldn't stream it. I posted the VOD up. So, the VOD is on my Twitch channel right now if you want to check it out. You're in for a treat because I showed about 40 bare bums yesterday. 20 in the group I'm in and 20 in the group that won. But obviously covered in paint and other assortments. So yeah, feel free to go and check their VOD out now or later. It's up to you. Not yesterday, maybe today. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, I was just too busy, eh? Just too busy with my own stuff. So if you want to watch my kapaka performance, it's on yesterday's VOD. I just posted it up last night. We will get to carving after I have brekkie. Mumsy wants to watch it. All good, man. All good. Look after your wife, my bro. Yeah, so I'm going up to Auckland on Friday. Also to pick up my sister-in-law, but you're gonna cruise around for a bit, and I wanted to go to the zoo. That's the only reason why I'm going up to Auckland too, other than to pick up family. I want to go to the zoo. And yes, I am that father that tried to go without his kids, but the auntie wants them to be at the airport when she arrives. Like, bro, I want to go to the zoo by myself without any worries. I haven't been to Auckland Zoo in years, so there's a couple animals I'm hoping to see, alright? Just a couple. Alright, chat. Here's breakfast. Meal number 1, plain Jane eggs. That's meal number 1. We have about 5 meals in a day, okay? So I've been doing this diet since October. I have lost about 23 kgs. All up. Yeah, 23 kgs all up is how much I lost. And yeah, I feel good. So in the morning it's eggs. Normally I have a wholemeal bread, but with the cost of living I've decided to take bread out. So our first meal of the day is, it's meant to be 3 eggs, wholemeal bread, and an apple or a banana. So that's my first meal. Second meal is just like almonds, 15 almonds if you want, but I didn't even do that because almonds are expensive too. Lunchtime is 200 grams of chicken breast, 150 grams of rice or quinoa, brown rice or quinoa, and mixed veggies. And then in between that, you can either have carrots and hummus and cucumber, or apple. And then after that, for dinner, it's 200 grams of chicken breast and mixed veggies. So yeah, it's done wonders for me. I am at the point in my life where I don't eat for taste anymore. I just eat for results. But yeah. What's the goal now? So the goal is to get to between 100 kgs and 110. So I'm going to carry it on. Exercise as well. Yeah. So just, just going for a walk, 10,000 steps every day. And then I got lighter and I started running. Started running more. And I did more functional movements. Like I was doing like weights and all that. But walking, running, swimming is another one. Especially if you're bigger too. I did swimming first because it's easy on the joints and everything. I'm only 34, but still, it's things I consider when training. But now, yeah, I'm fully into running now, so I'm gonna try and give me some running shoes this week too. Because since we're going out of town, because running shoes here are fucking expensive. So we're going to go to the outlet stores. I want to get some Essex Nova ones or something. I tried my cousin's ones on and they're comfortable to run in. But yeah, pretty much on the performance day, I jumped on the scale and I was 122. From 146. And yeah, pretty much carb loaded for the performance, and yeah, unleashed all hell. But yeah, I've been in it since October. Oh, this is just me being lazy, not getting a fork. Sorry, man. Alright. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much, I'll be honest, my diet, I worked it around being cheap and considered, the cost of living right now with everything, like prices going up for food. That's kind of how I judged my diet. Because, everyone gets all the high brand, high quality shit. I just went for the stuff, that helps. And I know my body good enough because my body reacts to carbs harder. Like, bro. Like, hard as. I have 2 bread and then my body goes, dum. So yeah, it's I made sure to keep an eye on my carbs majority of the time. pretty much. So yeah, those are the things I always considered when I was doing my diet. I feel that I ate out of the pot. See? Smart man, less dishes. That's how you do it, guys. Alright, let's get our blocks. Yeah, now that Huckers is over, we can finally get into it, eh? Bought a new car. Oh, I was tricked by the silver tongue of the man. Oh no, bro. There, all the people with electric cars be laughing at all of us, eh? They be laughing at us right now, my bro. Like even now, I don't want to go up to Auckland because it's like $3 a litre, eh? Bro, crazy. And isn't the government introducing some no drive days as well? Like, I'll be honest, chat, I bought myself I want to buy myself a longboard. $3, yeah, it's gone up crazy, man. Crazy. I want to get a longboard for days where, you know, we could walk to school. Like my kids, they've gotten too big for their scooters, so they're going to need proper ones. So I'm thinking lockdown 2.0 pretty much, bro. Cheaper in the UK, let me know and I'll go to... No, I can't do that to you, my brother. It's all good, it's all good. But for myself next year, I do want to train for half a marathon. It's only like 25 k's, eh? Is it? I think it is. Yeah, I think, is a half a marathon 25 k's? Ah, cheers, my bro. Sorry, a couple of good chats going off. Further from the performance. Me and the Matua. Oh, is it 21? I thought it was 25. That doesn't seem that long. Cool, I'm keen. Yeah, I do swimming as well, but because I'm lighter now, I've started getting into the dopamine of running. I love it. Yo, Ollie! Oh man, I had chocolate milkshake or chocolate milk before my gym session yesterday. Oh my gosh, I felt like a fucking god. The sugar and everything just going through the system. It isn't, I fully understand that 16, 17 is long in itself, eh? But the reason why I want to train for a half a marathon is because from here to where my nan lays, where she lies right now, it's about 25 k's. And something I want to do on her birthday is get some flowers from the florist on her birthday and run all the way to her and lay them to where she rests now. As a birthday present, man, the best chocolate I ever had wasn't. And you liked it? I don't like it, eh? I like the I had banana and caramel Whittaker's chocolate yesterday. Oh my gosh. You shed some pounds? Yeah, brother Venom. Yeah, so I've shed a bit, my bro. But you know, the job is still not done. I have a goal in mind. I've lost about 23 kgs. Sorry, I'm still eating my breakfast. Yeah. So that's something I want to do next year. Drinky, yummy, not bad. Yeah, bro. When I had Cocoa Bella in Australia, bro, I became a fan. The banana one is yum. Yeah, so we started about 146 kgs. And I peaked over the weekend at 122. I won't lie, I've probably gone up a little bit. Because before our performance, I carb loaded, eh? I had like half a pizza. Keep in mind it was a small one of 4 pieces. I smashed that back and then, mind you, I jumped on the scale yesterday and I was only like 23.8. To keep going, bro, I just get cold, eh? Gotta bounce. All good, big brother. Have a good one, my bro. Love to wifey, eh? Love to wifey. Since you ate carbs, yeah, bro. Just went hard. Mind you, I was sweating buckets in the performance too. Almost done. Okay. Let me just set up TikTok too. I tried that deadlock game last night, chat. It's not too bad, eh? I only tried a few heroes though. But yeah, I don't mind that deadlock game. Okay, let's do this head today, finally. Anyone played that deadlock game yet? I only tried... Is it Silver? Is that her name? The werewolf girl? And who else did I try? Oh, Kim Jong-un. And Drifter, I think that's his name. Yeah, if anyone else plays that game, let me know so you can teach me. Would like to drop 22. Bro, you can do it, brother. You can definitely do it, man. Okay, let's get to it, eh? Hey, Danny girl, jeez. You gifted before you said hello. How are you? Alright. Time to mahi. Time to mahi, eh? How you, Danny girl? Loving the carving. Oh, appreciate you. Hope you're well. Hope you're well. Okay, so I just need to do a few little things before we start getting into this face here. Nasin, how you been, dude? I've been doing good, man. Just been real busy, but in saying that, I think my weekend's finally mine again. Now that the haka season is over. So I don't have to worry about that anymore. Modern exclusive, how are you? How are you, Alexander? My man. Sorry, blocked nose. I swear my body's still recovering from the weekend. Yo, Brett and Offenjito. Jeez, that's a hard name. Thank you very much for the aroha. Have a blessed day today. You have a good one too, my bro. If you gotta dip out, all good, I understand. But yeah, hope you're doing good, my bro. Thank you, Danny girl. What type of wood? This is just normal pine, bro. I've got another example of a tiki that I can show you. But I'm just going to do a little bit of this first. Because we have to get our center line for this and then shape the face up. Cheerio, fuck the system. How are you? Here's first carving stream back for the week. I've been busy and still recovering. Oi, Loki! Thank you for the galaxy, my bro. How long you been carving? 22 years, going on 23. I started when I was 12. Thank you, Luke, for the galaxy, my bro. And Madrid and Claude as well, and Madrid again. Hello, hope you're having a good day. How long have you... Do you think... I'll be honest. Finish line's almost there. I wasn't necessarily... Like, I'm not necessarily going to design this tiki. It's more just, you know, your traditional... Not designed one, but I might change my mind. Hey, Madrid, how are you? Danny girl, appreciate you. Alnaz as well. And Kian with the Manawas too. But yeah, if anyone's playing Deadlock and keen to teach me, let me know. I just started yesterday. I've only played like 2 characters though, so I'm probably just gonna stick to those 2 characters. Do you make 21st keys? I haven't done them in years, I won't lie. From Moldova. Hey, where's that Gas Golder? Where's Moldova, my bro? Yeah, so to those that are just tuning in, just want to let you all know that I'm planning some stuff for the 6-year anniversary, okay? So that is coming up next month. Planning some sub goals. I want to try and do. I'm trying to look for those hot wicked wings. You know how people were doing that wicked wings challenge. I want to do something like that. I might have to ask the bro where he got them from. Wishing you another better place. Stay right back at you, my bro. What's up, Junior? Caught another stream. How you, man? And I'm in the mood to marathon Pokemon Yellow as well. I've never played it. And you know, with all the hype around Pokemon, especially Kanto, everyone's jamming Fire Red again. I want to play Yellow. Are you still on Twitch? Yeah, I'm streaming there right now. I'm on 4 different platforms these days. And thank you to everyone for the kind messages too for the performance over the weekend. Appreciate yous. Thank you Morgan and Remnant. Kia ora, kia ora. Posture check. Okay. What are you carving right now? So all I'm doing is just the side of a face right now, just cleaning it up. Just taking a bit off because it looked a bit uneven. And then we'll put our center line in and we'll start marking it out. Just getting rid of some of the rip marks. But yeah, thank you for all the kind messages. Are you indigenous? Yes, indigenous as fuck. Yeah, I was buzzing out at all the kind messages over the weekend from the performance. Didn't quite, you know, qualify for nationals, but you know, it is what it is. Yo, Moon, thank you very much, brother. How you been, Moon? Okay, I need a pencil. My kids have taken my 4-year-old stepdaughter loves watching your carvings. Oh, kia ora to your 4-year-old, my bro. Kia ora. Okay. I think for now, we can leave this as is and we'll start putting our center lines back in. And then we'll start angling the face. How you, Damien? How you doing? I'm good, my bro. Body's still a bit sore from the weekend, but all in all, I'm happy. Went to go do deadlifts too and see if my body could still do them. I didn't go too heavy. But I'll still say this, even in this day and age, sumos are still yuck. I do conventional deadlifts, so yeah, I'm not really, my body's not too fond of sumo deadlifts. Can you recreate the OG donation clip? Probably not, because that's a bit cringe in my opinion. I don't want to recreate something that, you know, happened a long time ago, because you already know what happened. Okay, let me just go and get a pencil, okay? I need one inside. Okay. Let's put our center lines back in. 20 views gone. What's that for? Oh, you can't expect people to watch the whole thing, brother. People got lives to live too. So I'm just putting our center line back in. I watched the rest of the haka this morning and it was amazing. Everyone was great. Oh, cheers, my bro. Did your roku end up going over time, bro? Nah, just marks. No, we didn't go over time. We kept finishing on our usual. What was that again? Thank you, brother Luke, for the 76 roses, my bro. Thank you, brother. Okay, now we start working over here. It was what thing? It was Anamika and someone else didn't like our action song. Anamika, I can't remember the other name. Okay, where's my block that I usually use? Evening, brother Luke. How are you, good sir? Okay, let's set that in the vice. Come on now. Just trying to make it sit nicely. There we go. Secured. Kia ora from Norway. Kia ora, my bro. How's it in Norway? Wouldn't it be late for the EU viewers? Alright, just rolling out other tripod down, chat, so the other platforms can see nicely. There you go. Okay. So what we need to do now is there's still like sections that need to be taken off, okay? So I'm gonna just do those first and then we'll carry on. Watching you carve is pretty chill, thank you, brother. Always gotta follow the... Hey, chill, my bro. Also, TikTok, I just wanna ask a genuine question. So, something I'm seeing a lot of on TikTok right now is randoms imitating renowned carvers in our culture. Now, obviously with the following the channel has, how does one like report a channel? Because there's someone on TikTok that's imitating Matua Gordon, and he's even said it himself, he doesn't have a TikTok account. Hello, just existing, how are you, good sir? TikTok don't really do much about it. Yeah, I kind of noticed that in their reporting rules, eh? I was like, what? That's kind of mud, I won't lie, it's kind of mud. Also, chat, just want to say thank you very much for the 120 followers on Facebook. Appreciate yous. Hope you're having a good day. How long do you think till you finish? Yeah, not that long, eh? Not that long. We're kind of on the arse end of it now. Thank you very much, Just Lewis and brother Josh as well. Thank you, brothers. You gotta go gym today, chat. Gym today, gym today, gym today, gym today. I'm feeling legs. Legs are on the menu today.
Yo, thank you, brother Christian. Right, okay, hamburger. Massive mahi you're doing. Thank you, Skunk Monk. Cheers, my bro. Another truck with a shit ton of bloody timber on it. All these new builds going on around the city, man. Is it chilly? So we're in autumn right now. So yeah, it is getting a bit cold. A little bit. But at the same time, you know, it's nothing you can't handle. It's only getting a bit cold for me because I've lost so much weight. That's why she's getting a bit hard for me. One of those trucks. Nah, it's not carving wood, it's just one like frames. I don't steal anyway, so I'm good. Could never bring myself to do that in life. Even at a young age. Even last week, Chad, I accidentally walked out with a tomato in my trolley and I went back in and paid for it. It rolled out of the bag and into the corner of my trolley. I felt so bad. Oh, I don't even steal from specific people. Just in general way. Nah, he was busy. Crime if you get caught? Nah. I can never. Also, Chad, I've got new endeavours as well. I am starting to see and feel the enjoyment of golf. So yeah, I'm on my swing arc at the moment. You're on a bit of an arc. Hashira training for golf. I see the dopamine in it now. Yeah, man, it's been fun. I started a few years ago and it's my bro. How good, bro. If you don't mind me asking, how did you get into Whakairo? So I started back in primary school, my brother. So it all began like every Friday. We'd have, classes outside the normal curriculum. And Whakairo was one of them. And I just went into the class because, my uncle was the teacher. So curious. Just curiosity, basically, how it all started. And then, as time went on the first day we didn't really pick up a single tool. Pretty much. No tool was picked up that day. But my uncle kind of taught us about the history of Whakairo, where it came from, you know? What our ancestors went through, all the hardship we went through in order to keep it alive today. And those were the things that inspired me. As someone, you know, who already had a lot of love for his culture. So it kind of happened that way, my bro. And then eventually, you know, we started carving. And the one thing about my uncle that I've picked up myself is someone who's taught a few people now. He's a silent observer. Like, he'll watch you and just say nothing. Just to see how good you do on your own. And one thing about me when I try stuff, I always try and do it with the least amount of help as much as possible. And then he was watching me, and then he asked, "Have you done this before?" And nope, my first time. And he just said, "Huh, okay, carry on." And he pretty much just told me to stay after school and have a talk. I thought I was in trouble, but yeah, he pulled this old book out of our whakapapa, our genealogy, and it had all the carvers within our family lines, and there weren't much. So that's why he asked if I had done it before. And then legit became a fourth gen on my grandfather's side. And on my grandmother's side is a totally different story. I am a second generation on my grandmother's side. So yeah, big generation gap there. And yeah, I've been doing it ever since. Like from 12 to 34 now. But I will be 35 this year as well. Is there any certain primers or lacquers you put on? So with pine, I would only use a lacquer, or a clear one, because you don't want to take away, like pine naturally has a grain to it. But it kind of depends on the timber that I have as well. So if I see an amazing grain in the timber, I won't use anything too heavy to cover it up, because I want to show that off. For that reason. Hey John boy, how you? Yeah, it's for that specific reason that I'd probably want to show it off. Shout out from the UK, big respect, brother. Love the woodwork skill. Your piece is available to buy. I have... What do I have available right now, guys? Let me check. So I've only got this popo available right now. So this is a popo here. So this is one that I have. I'm going to put it on a base though, so it doesn't have to sit that way. Yeah, I'd rather put it on a base and let it be upright like that. Yeah, so this is all I have. This one. This carving here. And this one here as well. These are ones that have just been on display in the living room. That one there. There we go. And this one will become available when I finish the current piece, which is the other heitiki. This is the one we did last year. So this was kind of my revision run of a heitiki, this one here. Yeah? Yeah, this was just me doing a bit of revision to see if I could still shape one. This one. So yeah, I've only got 3 pieces, or 2 for now, and then 3 once I finish the current piece. Okay, let me put these to the side. So that's pretty much what I have at the moment. Looks nicely done. Thank you, Ted boy. Cheers, brother. Did you ever make them? Did you make them all? Yeah, with a chisel. To find out you come from. Yeah, so one of the biggest carvers on this side of my nan's genealogy is his name's Whare Toroa. Happy St. Paddy's Day. Are you wearing green? Am I wearing green today? I don't think so. No, I thought St. Paddy's Day was yesterday for us. Because I saw heaps of people dressed as leprechauns yesterday. Or was it now? What's today? Yeah, it's the 18th for us today. How long does technically one piece? It varies, it varies. Oh, you're in the... Yeah. Yeah, it was yesterday. I was wearing green yesterday though, but I didn't know it was St. Paddy's Day until I saw all the leprechauns. Or the ones people dressed as one. Oh, St. Paddy's Day in Ireland. Oh, happy St. Patrick's Day to all my whānau in Ireland. I found out I'm part Irish as well through one of my greats. If anyone knows where the Virgos come from in Ireland, let me know. I heard the name, but I was staring at the carvings on the wall, and it went in one ear and out the other. Oi, Damien! Yo, thank you for the £5, Damien. If you got a gifted sub from the bro, please give him a thank you. You're looking good. Hey, thank you, brother. Yeah, so I found out that one of my grandmothers married an Irishman, and his surname is Virgo. Now, some of my cousins do carry that surname today, and they're one of the main families that come from here. Kia ora. Good, just doing work.
Oh, you're working?
Yeah.
Oh, you don't live here? Oh, you do?
Yeah, oh, my wife's inside.
Oh, is she?
Yeah.
Would you rather we spoke with your wife?
Yeah, probably.
Okay then, I'll do.
We got some J-dubs chat. Yeah, see, Joel knows. How does one go about learning Whakairo? It depends. Is there a wānanga around you? I'd say the best place to start, if possible, is a wānanga o Aotearoa. Or, if you're lucky enough and you have a family member, it's another one. She might be a J-dub, but she saw the carving and she didn't walk away. That's usually how I make my auntie turn around. I put a carving outside the front door. Because they don't get into that stuff, eh? That's usually how I counter my auntie. Hi boy, are you home? Yep. She hangs up and then when she hangs up I put a carving out the front door. I'm home alright. Apparently they have a big... They're trying to get loads of people. What is that? A big black mass. Why does that sound like OG Mudbone? That word, those words together just make me think of OG Mudbone. How do you get the holes in the arms? With a chisel and a drill. Cheer, Prodigy, how are you, my bro? Once again, bro, thank you very much for the 5 bomb, Damien. The annual gathering or something, bro, it's giving... Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it's not really my thing. You know me. Believe in my own people's gods, eh? Let me just go and check on my wife to see if she's all good. They're still there. False alarm, chat. They were in J-dubs. They were something else. I smile greetings from Austria. Hey man. Yeah, there was something else. Yo, Prodigy with the 1 year. Cheer, my bro. Happy G-Day, my brother. Hope you're well and looking after yourself as usual, my bro. And appreciate the 1 year resub. And thank you most of all for the Aroha for the 1 year as well, my bro. Damn! Every time I come in I forget to ask as a joke. Do you acknowledge Roman Reigns? Yeah, he's one of my favorites. He's one of my favorite wrestlers from the current, but I like that new dude. Well, he's not new, but you know. Obafemi, he's cool. The ruler. Thank you, Sonny, for the roses, my bro. Yeah, I like Obafemi. See him powerbomb Brock Lesnar yesterday. And Lesnar sold it so well too. Yeah, so all I'm doing right now is just molding this face. What's up, Star RL? How you doing, brother? And I like who else have I been watching? Obviously Jacob Fatu as well. But Jacob's been badass even before he joined WWE. Who's that other guy? I only know the sound of his song. Trick Willie. Yeah, that's him. Rikishi was my favorite. Was jokes when he put his ass in people's faces. Hey, fuck. That ass. Just a mouthful of cellulite. I joined and heard ask W timing. W timing. Alright. How old were you when you started carving? 12 years old, my brother. 12 years old is when I started. And now I'm 34. 34. Here comes the money. Who was that? Shane McMahon. Oh, Shane O'Mac. I didn't realise that Seth Rollins' crew had turned on him, Oh, thank you, Janeway. Do you also whittle small projects? I haven't recently. Like, the smallest thing I've been doing lately is, I'll show you. So, oh, thank you very much, Rebel. So this is the smallest thing I've been doing. So this is something for my wife. It's just a box for her wedding ring. You can kind of see the figure at the top there. Head, arms, and the body and the legs. And all around it I'm doing a Hinemoa, who is an ancestor from here, who is renowned for swimming to her loved one using calabashes. And on the other side will be her loved one, Tutanekai. So yeah, this is just something I'm doing for my wife. I'll probably get back onto it after I finish this. Yeah, so the idea was to just fully design it, or fully mold it. Yeah, so that's what she's renowned for, is swimming to Tutanekai, who was on Makoia. And that was like 3 miles in the night. Only guided by the sound of Tutanekai's flute. So this is going to be Tutanekai here. The head, the arms, and the body. And I turned his body into a flute there. You can see the flute there. Kinda. is just something I was doing for my wife just cause. Does a big project or small project detail project take more time? I'd say when it comes to designing and carving as a whole, it depends how much time you put into it. Like obviously with this one, it does take a little while to get to this point because I don't have the small finer chisels because they're always bloody sold out. So I've been doing it with you know, much bigger ones than usual. And what I'll do with the inside here. Oh, thank you for the super chat, man. Yo, appreciate that, brother. Never really get those much on YouTube, but thank you. Thank you very much, brother. What I'm planning to do with the inside as well, we're gonna dig this section out. And then on this section, we're gonna dig the outer ring off. So we'll take that off. So there's a lip there, so they can slot together. So there won't be two lips here, it'll just be the singular. So that's something that I'm gonna do as well. And then we'll put a little like tower in the middle where she can slot her wedding ring on. How are you liking Midnight, bro? It's been fun, bro. I've really been enjoying Midnight. Just so I'm leveling my alt at the moment. I did a little bit of it offline last night. Just been jamming my warrior. I don't want to level too many alts at the moment. I'm just going to focus on 2 for now. But I want to log on today and do Eagle Eye on that island that Zuljan is looking out to. I only thought about it last night. Yo, Rhyme Fox, thank you for the biddies, man. Do you paint the wood? All depends. It all depends. Normally, majority of the time, I would rather use a clear stain. To be honest. That's just a personal preference for myself. Everyone's different. Everyone's different. Ingrain, 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 ingrain. Goodness gracious me. Just getting rid of all these judders a little bit. Good night from the UK. Good night, my bro. Have a good sleep, eh? You, Jewel, watching on Twitch, how's your day been? Oh, Jewel watching on... Oh, appreciate that, my brother. My day's been good, man. Like the way my days start, bro, it's not really anything next to amazing, you know? Get up, help wifey with the kids. School lunches, school clothes, either, or do the baby in the morning. Well, she's about 11 months now. Painting wood, unless it's a house, everything looks better. Natural. I agree. Do you only carve wood on a tree that has fallen down? Yeah, pretty much. So by law it is illegal to cut native trees down unless it falls down naturally. Pretty much. Thank you very much, Driz QT, for the Optimus Prime. Thank you, brother. Yo, appreciate that, my bro. Okay. Hi, hey, yeah, it's me. Have a sub, brother, man. Hey, appreciate that, my bro. Where you from, brother? Thank you very, very much for the love, man. Yeah, so my days are pretty much the same every day, you know, weekdays. Get the kids ready for school. Extracurriculars and whatever they got going on for sports. So one of my kids, or both my kids play netball. Our second girl does jiu-jitsu twice a week. And swimming as well. Hello from Scotland. Hey brother, Delirious, how you been, man? Good to see you again. So if I know if any of you are emulator lords, know where I can get an emulator for Pokemon Yellow. Your boy wants to marathon it. Aqua, hey, stream's going good, man. We I'll be honest, this is probably the first proper catch up we're having post performance. Hey, all is well, man, all is well. Hope you are too. Shit, I might play our Kappa Haka performance in the background, eh? Kinda over the wow music. Uh-oh, is our mic still all good? I kinda hit it a little bit. Also, I have the desire to play Teemo Jungle for some reason. Hold on, guys. Just gonna put our haka group on. There you go. How much longer are you going to be live for? Probably another 2.5 hours, maybe. Yeah, another 2.5 hours, most likely. I would assume. But if I'm, you know, enjoying it and vibing and everyone's happy here, then I might go a little bit longer. Ooh, gotta go turn around. Oh my other brother, you don't need to send gifts on other accounts, brother. Just stay here and chat on your one, my bro. Come and have a yarn, brother. You don't need to min-max on other accounts, my bro. You're good, you're good. And here's me. Just hear me. So I'm just getting rid of all these jutters. DS1, thank you for the roses, my brother. But if you love what you're doing, you're living the dream, 100%. 100%. I think when we get to molding the face, I might shoot some footage just to edit it up to. Skip the Cuzzy's part because he talks for a while. So now that we've got this head getting molded, we have to adjust the neck too, and the body as well. Te katoa, apiki ai te kahae, si hei oti nei au, aku o atai te pō, I hoki nei nā mahara, ki a kai koro ki mā. nei e. Hei ha ha. Ka mihira taku ngā kau ki te tiheru ai o hinema. E paki paki tonu ana rāna wai ki ngā uru toka ki kaiwaka. O ngā ti whakau e tū mai rā. Ki tama whakai kai ahu. Tūa, tūtoa, tū whakahi. Ko ngā warupu manawa ārangiti. E upoko, whakahira hira. I takai anei ki te akate. Ko ngā uriwe nei o ngā matakere whanga. Uri noa, i ngā pāpāri ngā te rotaru anui a kahu. Tau atu nei, haia. Hei kau e atu i te aroha kia koutou. Ka maru noa, gita papa nei. Hei aha. E nei te kau e aroha. I a koutou tata. Ka hapu a te aroha. Ai ora ki tata e. Ka hapu a te aroha. Ai ora ki tata e. Hey! That was a hard part to do after doing a haka. Going back into the singing voice. Te taumata a o ka ke puku. Thank you very much, Malakai. Thank you, brother. Hope you're well too, my bro. Kairikiriki ai. Aroha. I'll just do this and I'll come back to you. Okay. How we doing? How we doing? Looking good, brother. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, Malakai, as well. What's the name of this song? Oh, this is a more Teatea. So this song talks about. A long story short, it talks about a child's love for their mother that they've lost, you know? So it's a sad song. tu ti emi ma Toki to haere Nei to Haere te arawa Tuku atu nā poi Then we come in Oh I'll just do this and then I'll put the camera up here where we're young. Hei ka huri ahia, te huru kaka. I mana api hane koe I te moni, uri uri e. Hei! Hapa I ngata na waka wakereti, awe wakereti. I'm in the north! Thank you, Malakai! Pītakataka nā hukoki koki, wero atu wero mai waka manawa. Warrior! Tēnā koe hoa, kai te pai, kai te pai. Ka tahi anō, ka hoki mai ki ngā mahi whakairo mo te rānei. Nō reira me haere tonu ngā mahi, ko mutu ngā mahi kapahaka. Poi poro titi atu, poi poro titi mai. Hoki rito haere ki te taha taha rua e. Nau, toi ngoa I tipako mai. Papakura Wahine te arawa Ngāti wahia Kupa e Kerenu e kuku Poho kere Ala te arawa Oh, who's that? No. Apeneti Papakuro Tare nau I te ka te rata I te tau I te onui o koheriki Aue Ariri He puka were were I te pito te tupu tupu Oi koe anei e te hau Puhi puhi Ātuki o hore toku manawa Ātuki pakake kutari mai te wewe wewe Ai te tani nini Sorry, just drawing up this face to see what it looks like. Bit of a crash course. Te poutu maro tanga o te rā Is there a weird way of they're singing and clapping there? In a weird way, they are singing and clapping their hands reminds me of a local yearly tradition of people dressed as witches walking through town. Oh, that's a bit different, especially if it's summer, you'll get hot. The gonads be roasting, my bro. The gonads be roasting. So now we got to do the other side. Mahutai Turaki na nara na tamariki atane Ekiane e whakahu whakanua. Shit, I might just roll the body in the valley. Yeah, I might. Tuki tuki ana Awai kare o toruai. Cheers, brother Dave. Thank you very much for the gifting too, my bro. And Dick as well. Nanga pira, whaka pira, e pana pana I honei, I taku koro koro. Eia! Era wanei ahau. I te poko kohua nei asimoa. O tēnei kiritea. O tēnei Maori kirimoko e. Whakari hari hana koutou. Me wana pononga te toko toru Maori nei. Joe Infected, how you my bro? Heku papa, kwaku papa, kio koutou haku. Me uku ia nei, me he kore kore mai ho. Kera hei ake. Bro, we caught your guys' rope on set it was mean. Oh, were you there? Or on the TV? Do you fix your workhorse bench on the ground or is it... Yeah, it's heavy enough to keep it stable, my bro. It's all good. But I use blocks just to elevate it a bit. It's too low for me. Kia kota hite hoi, kia koe mo tāta moa ke. Kia kota. I need to put a round through that. Yeah, hit the live stream. Oh, yeah. Ah, me, what you reckon? Other than not cracking it. Gotta be the next level feeling, the haka tautoko from it. Yeah, bro. They were calling out to me through the whole performance, but I had to ignore them the whole way through. So I feel like if I looked at them straight away, I'd either fall behind or I'd do a mistake. So I just, had to ignore them. Even the big girl was like, oh, he's a mean dad. And the little one, I saw your ass. Remember me that mentioned Zelda music? Yeah, that was a while ago. Yo, Dick, thank you very much for the Aroha, brother. Mags near us, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime as well, my bro. Oi! Oh, and the Pug 1892 with the Prime. Thank you very much, brother. Thank you to the Primers today on Twitch as well. Oh, sorry, the purple one. That's what I gotta say while I'm live on TikTok, eh? That's probably why my videos get low views now, because I keep saying the competitors on the lives. Just nodded away. Yeah. Yeah, everyone was on the high after we finished. Even the young ones, they were in the group. I think my mom. Okay, that's a bit weird. Came from TikTok. What's up, Oxy? It's a bit weird, no comment. Some of us were curious, what was the most used tool, and that tool you suggested for a beginner? Hold up, brother. Oh, Oh, te riri. What's your most used tool? Shit, that's a good one. In terms of chisels. Yo, Solar Sailor! Off to work. Yo, thank you for the 30 months, Solar. Thank you, brother. Have a good time at work, my bro. Hope it goes fast for you too. Haven't been on Twitch in at least a year. Oh, that's all good, Pug. Thank you very much for the Prime as well, my bro. Thank you, brother. Yeah, that's way better. Yo, what's up, Ty Owens? So just looking at the angle of the body they were just done, because we took out their neck bit.
Tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnei o ngā tātou nei kapa o te
Okay. Hello there. Oh, how do I say that name? Jen Refuel. Oh my gosh. When the Prime Minister stopped by the... Yeah, that was random, bro. It was a random moment when that happened. Like it's not something I expected. And we ended up being the first streamer in the world to have a world leader on stage. Oh, on stage, on the camera, on the stream. Where did you get your table? So I got it from Bunnings. Oh, it's a hardware store. Yeah, they were like... I can't remember actually. Yeah, I actually can't remember, sorry. And so we're just shaping the head out now. Oh, we got a hype train going on as well. So what we got to do now is do this side. So we got to shape it out just like this side here. So it's actually that way. I drew the head upside down. Lucky. Oh. Like something doesn't seem right. Lucky, bro. Yo, thank you, old Ubs, for the Optimus Prime. Damn, Brock's looking lean these days. Hey, cheers, brother. Yeah, bro. But oh, we've lost a fair bit. Yeah, we've lost quite a fair bit, my bro. So last year, before I started haka practice, I was weighing 146 kgs, pretty much. And over the last couple months, yeah, ended up at 122. 122 kgs, my bro. Hold on, chat. Sorry, just making sure it's all symmetrical. How tall are you? Oh, I don't know. Oh, thanks for the level 2 hype train as well, guys. Hold on, shit. Just marking it up. What language is that? Te reo Maori. So just drawing the face up. I thought it would look funny because it was upside down. But I'll fix that. You're from Hawaii? No, I'm from Aotearoa, New Zealand. I was 147 and down to 131. W-Mans, my brother. W-Mans, my bro. Hey, Brox, how you doing? Good? Hey, what's up, young? I'm doing good, bro. Yo, Driz, thank you for the 10, boom. If you got a gifted sub from the bro Driz as well, please give him a thank you or glaze him harder than a Krispy Kreme donut in his DMs. Thank you, brother. Hello. Thank you very much for the gift you have on TikTok as well. W work, my hey, thank you, brother. Thank you very much. How's life? Life has been busy, my bro. But in saying that, we can finally get back to streaming more now that kapa is done. And I am ready to join and do my golf arc. Yes, I now understand. Feels like Prime isn't enough, so have some more. Love what you do, keep it up. Oh, I appreciate that, my bro. You being here is enough too to everyone that's tuning in as well. I appreciate that, brother. So you can kind of see, so I'm just drawing up the face. Thank you very much for that, brother. No, I appreciate that, man. This is my kryptonite side. I'm good at drawing one side, and then when it comes to the other one, What's up, Brady? How you, brother? Aye, what up? Oh, speaker went flat. Jikadoo. Uh-oh. Sorry about that. Can we get to a level 5 hype train whānau? Thank you very much for the support already. I haven't had a hype train that big in a long time. So thank you. Our speaker went flat, so we got a raw dog it off the iPad. Damn, sounds like we're listening on a phone. There we go. What up? Hi, my love. You right? Thank you very much to Zeok for the donuts. Yo, thank you very much to Daisy for the $5 super chat. Giving and hitting the sub goal, my bro. I appreciate the support nonetheless, eh? Always gotta be grateful. Be grateful. So you can kind of see it now. So we're just doing the main, drawing the main parts that we're gonna cut, okay? The main thing that we'll probably do when we start cutting this is drop the mouth a bit. So a bit of the mouth, so you can see there's a lot of timber still sitting here. So we switch the angle of the mouth to go that way, okay? So that's our next thing that we're going to do. But before we do that, we got to round the other side. Thank you, not Zach, for the roses, my bro. So before we do that, we gotta shave all of that off. How am I going to do this? Okay. Safe and secure, I hope. I might actually use the orbit away. Yeah, I might use the orbital to be safe. Thank you for thanking the bro for your gift, good. Hold on. Bloody stray cats. There we go. So I'm just gonna Alright. A little bit of a hard and fast. Just like your dad last night. Nah. Hey, Che Nori. Che, my bro, how are you? I opened Twitch today to expect singing, but I'm not complaining. Che. Okay. Look at all that. So I gotta fill all of that too. But most of it will come off as well. Pencil. Pencil, pencil, pencil. Yeah, ha ha. Alright, let's do the same on the other side as well. What are you working on today? Oh, you just back on the hay tiki today, my bro. Can finally start smashing it again now that Haka's is finished. So all we're doing right now is just setting up the head. We've got to take off the timber on the other side, then redraw it, make sure everything is symmetrical like this one on here. So just making sure like levels and everything. So yeah, just a lot of simple stuff today. Hold up. Hi, can you explain the haka? The haka or the Maori posture war dance. Okay. So, what the haka was originally intended for, as some may know to common knowledge that it's for, you know, before battle. Now, it was used by our ancestors, and 9 times out of 10, it wouldn't work. But the idea of the haka was to hopefully intimidate the enemy enough for them to turn around and pick up their stuff, so no bloodshed would take place. And you know, there was no battle, no lives were lost. And so basically, you know, in those days, that's what it was used for. But when it comes to, you know, as time moves on more into our grandfathers or our forefathers, they went to World War I, II, the Boer War, you know, the one in Vietnam. Well, not so much Vietnam, but when they're in the trenches in World War I and II, that's I would say the last time the haka was actually used for its original purpose. Like late at night, you know, there were always stories spoken about how they could hear, you know, the haka coming out of the trenches and they were scared. And, you know, that's what the haka was used for. You know, when times were down, it was enough to rack up our people in order to just go in and clap everyone's cheeks. And then, more in this day and age, we do still do the haka. But in saying that as well, it's more subject driven, kaupapa driven. So you have different haka that speak about, you know, the land wars of our history. And those are the things we always haka about. So, you know, our people don't forget. With all the stuff that happened then, you know, you have haka that may be about some particular ancestors too. Some other specific moments in our history where, you know, there was like, what is it? November 5th down in Taranaki. There is an event that took place in Parihaka where everyone was unalived and, you know, many other things, women, children, men. And that happened, the same thing happened in my hometown as well. By, you know, how do I say this? People that come on a boat that looks like the Endeavour. I don't know how to say it. And then, in a more modern time, we have haka that speak about a very, very big thing that affects our people to this day. We call it te mate whakamomori, which is suicide. Suicide is a real big thing for our people, old and young. So, like, even if you break the word down, ha is your breath, ka means to ignite. It's a lot of fiery words with a lot of fiery actions as well. And we have haka with set actions, some without set actions, some with weapons, some without. And then you have some led by the men, some led by the women as well. Our women have their own haka too. They were warriors as well. Or they are, I should say. Maori is real. And the haka was their defense to make themselves look bigger in the face of danger. Likely to be attacked. Yeah, so, geez, who was it? I remember one Kaua, he spoke about being in the trenches and his mate got captured. And his mate got captured and they were about to, you know, pop him. And he done a haka and he ran straight at them and then they ran away and they left his mate alone. Like, bro, that's badass, but you know, that's the kind of things that take over when time comes. Like even with the haka we performed over the weekend. So what it spoke about is the current 3 that are running the country, you know, that are doing all this bullshit to our people, like bringing all these new bills in and trying to fuck us over and all that. That's what our haka was about. It was about them. And te pōko kohua nei a Seymour, like we point out to the crowd, what that translates to is to that bastard Seymour. And I looked right at the camera and I pointed right at it too. So that's basically, you know, many different hakas these days. So I hope that explains it a bit. I know they have meaning behind them as well. Yeah, the tattoos are definitely the same. Hey, Brox, I know you probably got... But I just wanted to say that I saw the video a couple of years ago and couldn't figure out your Twitch name also literally years later. As of yesterday, the same video popped up and I discovered your Twitch and YouTube. So I followed... Oh, hello, brother. Bro, I was wondering why... Because I was away over the weekend. And then I noticed that my subscriber count had gone up on my YouTube. And I was like, oh, what did I do? But, in saying that, brother, thank you very much, bro. And you found me. But, so normally what I do, brother, is traditional Maori wood carving. In this day and age, it is not as popular as it used to be on Twitch, but I still love what I do anyway. And... yeah, bro, like I always say, I just try and make a cheeky corner of the internet where people can feel comfortable and, you know, unwind and chill out. That's the whole purpose of this channel as well. And me, as a streamer. And I just want to share what I love to do. And if you ever have any questions, bro, feel free to ask. All good. You're all good, man. I don't mind one bit. There's a bee here and I don't want to get stung. So I was eyeing him up. Alright. Let's mold this other side of his face. But hey, welcome to the stream, man. And there's no such thing as a dumb question to me, my bro. They're only questions. Alright. Oh. Okay, let's round this other side, eh? So we won't start bang on the center line, we're just gonna just go slightly off. Hey bro, I sent you a message on TikTok a while back, I was wondering if you got it. What was it, my bro? Because I get spam DM'd, bro. It's like... When is your live? It's all those ones. When is your live? I have a gift for you. Like, it's all the same comment. That's not even secure. Oh my gosh. Chemotherapy. Oh, brother. Man, I'm sorry I missed that DM, bro. And I apologize as well for not seeing it. Thank you very much for, you know, telling me as well, man. I know that not normally an easy thing to say too. But I hope it's been going well too, brother. Love you, my bro, and always here for you. And I hope you get through it. Oh, firecrackers. Thank you, brother Josh. Today was my third interview since finding out in December. Oh. I know it ain't an easy thing to do, man. So props to you for going through it as well, brother. Whatever little bit of help the stream does, my bro. I'll definitely. I'm back now, so I can definitely be on more than usual. Okay. If you've got Twitch too, brother, go through and follow the Twitch channel as well. I normally do evening streams too. More Te Atea vibes. It's a choral. It's a 100-year-old song. Thank you, Where's he? XV? Hey, bro, do you have any chance to remember someone by the name of Cray? Karma of Chaos. I remember a streamer called Cray, but it was K-R-A-Y. He used to be a streamer, I think. He's a young fella. Yeah, I remember Cray. I think he started getting into fashion, I think. If I can remember correctly. I could be wrong, Yo, thank you for the 250 roses, my bro. I hope he's doing well with whatever he may be doing in life. Crazy, what kind of wood is that? This is just pine. Thank you very much, Where? For the 250 roses, my bro. Yo, what's up, Black Pepper? Yo, steady. Cheer, my bro. Hope you're doing well, brother. Hope you're doing well. You and the fams. Good to see you, my bro. Thank you for the 67 months as a bloody tier 3. You crazy man. You crazy man. Thank you, Ware, for the 200 roses as well. What the helly Burton is going on? Thank you, brother. How are you been, bro? Yeah, Huckers is all done, brother. We finished over the weekend. Thank you very much, Joker Limbs as well for the Optimus Prime. I'm just trying to sort out some sub goals for the old 6-year and next month, my bro. It's coming up real quick. 6-year anniversary on Twitch is crazy. Do you have a website? I don't use websites. Main reason being is because it takes away a genuine connection that I could potentially make, you know? Call me old fashioned, brother. Okay, this needs to be readjusted. Doing good, brother. Getting ready to go back down to Texas for a few days. Surprise my brother. Hey, all the way down to Texas. I got these guns from Texas. I call them Destroy. I love that part. Behold my stuff. How you been, brother? Bro, the last couple of months have been busy. More so off stream. So over the last couple of months, brother, back in October, I've been just practicing kapaka every weekend with the group. And we stood over the weekend. Unfortunately, we didn't make it to nationals. Qualify for nationals, but you know, it is what it is. Just means I get to start my golf arc early. Yeah, I'm starting to realise the love of golf. I understand now. I understand. How close were you to the top 6? I don't know. I haven't even asked. We just finished and then I went straight to Burger King. And then when we got back, everyone was partying. So I was like, yeah, buddy, let's go. I cared more about ending the diet for a day. And then I jumped straight back on Monday. I got an award for losing the most weight in the group too. You guys look great. Cheers, brother. I wonder why they made Kiwi. Koga Kiwi. I'll be honest, bro. That accent, I think it's cringe in mainstream movies. It's more so just the accent, not Kiwi itself. It's just Taika Waititi being Taika Waititi. Okay, that should be enough. Yeah, oh, it's just, you know, for me, it's using the accent in everything, bro. Especially Maori, eh? When Maori use it, bro, I think it's dumb. Whakairo, because even like every single program, bro, that a Maori may be on, it's always just that accent. I'm like, bruh, we talk properly as well. Ka mihira taku ngā kau ki tā te haru ai o he namoa. Ke ngā uru toka ke kai wata. Kei tama whakaetaia, tū ai, tūtoa, tū whakai. Ko ngā warupu manawa, harangi tihi, tau poko, whakahirahi, whakai anei ki te hakate. Ka Māori wēnei o ngā matakaranga. Hurira e ngā pāpāri ngā te rotori anui a kahu. If someone made an AI with your culture slang, what would you want it? I don't want to use AI, sorry. But I ain't trying to piss it off either, you know. I seen iRobot in Terminator and we know the outcome. Yeah, we know the outcome of those movies. Have you been to the Philippines? No, I haven't. Alfie Jones, thank you very much for the rose, my brother. Someone's leaving their car. I saw someone crash their R33 yesterday. So sad. So sad. I think I was more sad for the car, I wouldn't lie. Thank you, Zoo, for the rose. Hold on, chat. I'm just trying to clean this up. Iho ki te makau whanau. There we go. Okay, other side. There we go. Now it's getting smooth. Oh, how do I get going off a title, bro? Izzy, thank you very much for the 5 roses. Poi poro titi ati, poi poro titi mai. Alrighty. Heck we hey brother, fantastic vibes at work, following a long time ago, but getting back into hey, nice my bro. Oh well, welcome back my bro. Welcome back to Twitchy Lala my friend. Hope the break has been well. I enjoyed singing that song on the day. Macharoha, my bro. Nami Nico. You're from Napier. Kia ora, brother. Gotta be careful now. Look how much timber's there. Should be all good though. Puhi puhi. Patuki. Alright, how are we doing guys? I love my culture, it's our morning. Meo hoki. Meo hoki. Alright. Alrighty. Now I've got to figure out what I'm having for lunch today. I te o tapu nui atane. Mue mue ana I te wapu. Thank you, Nico. Turaki nā nara nā tamariki a tāne. Sorry, just putting the voice to the side. How we doing, guys? All good? How we doing? How we doing? You're so chill. Oh, that's pretty much how I am all the time. Chiles, brew, chiles. Okay, our phone is getting flat for the TikTok stream, however. So I think for now, TikTok, I may have to love and leave yous, okay? Hope you all enjoyed the stream. Thank you very much to all those that tapped the screen. But yeah, I'm gonna have to dip out for now, okay? Did you enjoy the stream today? Oh, I tapped my own screen. Shit. I'm just checking out all the stuff. Alright guys, that's gonna be me. GG's. On TikTok though, on TikTok. I'll probably see you tomorrow. I do have a sponsored stream to do tomorrow, however. But yeah, for now, I'm gonna love and leave you. Have a good day. TikTok, peace out. And thank you very much all for the love, eh? Thanks for streaming. Oh, I was just saying bye to TikTok. I was saying bye to TikTok. Yeah, so normally I finish with TikTok first just because my phone gets flat. That's about it. I te pōko kohua nei asimoa. How did it feel being on stage? Felt familiar. Because it had been such a long time. Yeah, it had been such a long time since I'd done it, my bro. So I was just happy to be out there again. Hold on, just congratulating. You perform with my partner's final. Oh, the meat ties, yeah. I'm related to the meat ties as well through the moko line. Probably Te Arawa too, but yeah, I'm more familiar through moko. Who's your partner? Which one? Matia? No, not going to Matia. Owen. Eh. Te tua wha I mana. E te pati Māori. Whawhai mo tātou moa ke. Ake tonu e. Sorry, just putting my chisels away, guys. Oh, yeah. Te o. Now it's been standing next to Owen again. Always enjoyed performing with them. Tēnā huakina. Alright, that's packed away nicely. Just want to make sure that all my stuff packed away nicely first. What's up, QW? How you doing? Always goes 100%, 110. Yeah, bro. That's why we call him the endless battery. Always got the energy. But yeah, I feed off of that Hundi, and I love it. What's up, Dead Magpie? How you, brother? Got a couple of views on the old Insta posts from the weekend. Hey, she snaps. Thank you very much for the raid. Kia ora. Hope you had a good stream. Welcome to the stream, everybody. I'm pretty much on the wind down period at end of the stream, but hope you all had a good day today with snaps. What you're making today? I'll show you what we've done today. Hang on. So this is all we've been doing today. So we've just been prepping this to be designed really, or to be molded. So we're just doing the face. But all in all, this is what we've been doing, this Hei Tiki here. That's the streamer guy. Yeah, so that's all we've done so far. So a Hei Tiki can represent many things from, you know, your ancestor, because we name them after our ancestors as well. They're not normally this big. They're normally a smaller pendant size. Yo, thank you very much, Who Dat Streamer, for the Optimus Prime. Yeah, Risk. So with me, I always got a lot of love for Uncle Wet. Even in Te Mātāroi, I've always had a lot of love for Uncle Wet. And then when I got the message to come and join the group, I didn't hesitate. I just said, yeah, I'll be there. I'll be the first one there, and yeah, sure enough, I was. And yeah, we'll probably wait till the next regionals. I won't really jump to another group for Matatini. Just stay loyal to Uncle. Yeah, still going on YouTube as well, my bro. But yeah, with this, yeah, we still got a lot to do in the face. A lot of timber beds still. And basically what I'm doing right now is just prepping the head to be moulded. But that's in there that I've been doing. So I can finally get back into it fully now that kapa haka is finished. You're listening to our performance from over the weekend right now. But thank you very much for the raid as well once again. Sorry you've caught the tail end of it, but I still appreciate the raid nonetheless. And thank you to all those that gifted subs and subbed today as well. Helping out with our sub count today. Yeah, I'm going to try my hardest to start building us up again. So next weekend, I'm probably going to be home alone too, so I think try and run a 24 hour as well. Hold up, I'm just checking my phone. Oh man, I enjoyed this performance, eh? Hope you have a good rest of your day. Thank you, you too. Okay, let's look for someone to raid, eh? Let's have a look. I don't know who's all on today, so I'll have a look. Who's on? Who's all on? Hello. Hi, you just waking up? Alright, hang on, chat. I'm gonna raid someone. Have a good day. If I see you tonight, I see you tonight, okay? I still haven't finished the One Piece series. So I gotta finish that as well. Oh shit, I forgot to put raid. Thank you, brother Who Dared Streamer. I'm trying to raid you guys before my daughter crawls over. Don't want her crawling on the concrete. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. There we go. Alright guys, I'll see you later. I'm going to send you over to the Bro Social Club. Have a good day. Have a good one. I'll see you all. If not tonight, then tomorrow, okay? GG's. Appreciate all the aroha. And have a good one. Cheers.